Generators can cause carbon monoxide poison-related illness and death if not used properly. Generator engine exhaust contains carbon monoxide. You cannot see, smell, or taste carbon monoxide. But at certain levels of exposure, it could harm or kill you in minutes. With CO Detect, the generator will shut down if too much carbon monoxide builds up around the unit. When the unit shuts off, the carbon monoxide indicator light will flash, signaling there's a dangerous level of carbon monoxide in the area. If this happens, leave the area immediately and go to an open outdoor area away from the generator. Ventilate the area thoroughly before occupying it again. Once the light is turned off, move the generator farther away to a more open area, ensuring the generator is at least 20 feet away from all doors, windows, garages, and occupied spaces. CO Detect provides an added layer of safety and can help prevent carbon monoxide poisoning, but it is not a substitute for proper safe generator practices. Always remember to follow all guidelines outlined in your operator's manual for safe generator use.